We're just being towed. Whereabouts are we, babe?
Between Brim and Hopeton.
Between Brim and Hopeton. And the water is halfway up the door. It's about 30 centimetres below the door handle.
Is our house going to get water?
And it's way, way out there. There's no real flow on it, so it's pretty much still water. And it's coming in through the doors! It's on my feet. There's water all over the floor there, coming into the car. It's halfway up the door, so nearly up to the door handle. Oh, it smells nice, doesn't it?
I'm going to take my shoes off.
You're going to take your shoes off, buddy? I don't think that's going to help.
What?
It's all over the floor. Let's lift some stuff up off the floor.
Have I got mine all over the floor? Have I got all over my floor?
I don't know, darling, have you?